Hi guys, and welcome back to Mikee and more. Today I'm going to be doing the Rubik's Cube Ninja Challenge. How it's going to work is I'll run a course in my backyard, and at the end I'll have to solve a Rubik's Cube. If you love challenges, American Ninja Warrior, or anything that has to do with fun, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Now I'll walk you through the course. It starts with the quad steps. Next, I'll climb up to the bars and shay all the way across. Next, I'll have to hop onto the deck, walk along, climb up to the pegboard, go all the way across, and solve the Rubik's Cube. But first, I gotta scramble it. Boop, 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 boop. Done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Can you solve a Rubik's Cube? Tell me in the comments. Bye!